Assalamualaikum everyone, this is artist Rabia from Pakistan. Assalamualaikum. Today I will give you tip to glow water in your pic in Photoshop. First I am unlocking this layer. Today I will give you tip to from here open photo filter. You can see here I am increasing its density and changing the color from here. From here open photo filter. Press OK. Guys, change the blending mode to overlay. Guys, press Ctrl plus I to invert the mask. Press Ctrl plus take the brush and see foreground color is white. Make opacity 100 and flow 50 and start painting on water. Take the brush, just water.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands.
So guys, you can see the difference. Okay, bye bye, Allah Hafiz. So guys, you